Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss the poem Prayer of the Woods. It's a very simple poem. Its poet is not known. It's written by anonymous poet. This poem is a prayer by trees to human beings. In this poem, trees of the woods make an appeal to human beings not to harm them, as they are very useful for human beings in several ways. We are going to discuss the poem. There are two stanzas of the poem. Let's discuss the first stanza. I'm going to explain it in a very easy way. In a very easy language, we will explain this poem. First stanza of the poem. I am the heat of your heart on the cold winter nights, the friendly shade screening you from the summer sun, and my fruits are refreshing draughts, quenching your thirst as you journey on. I am the beam that hold your house, the board of your table, the bed on which you lie, and the timber that build you your boat. Here the tree says that its wood burns the fire in the fireplaces of human being. When the fire burns, the cold of the winter season keeps off. The tree also provides cool shade to human beings, and the tree keeps the heat of the summer season away. As the travelers move on during their travel in the summer season, the juice from the juicy fruits of tree keeps them refreshed and less tired. Timber of the trees supports the roof of the houses of human beings. It makes boards for tables that are used by the human beings. Beds on which the human beings lie or sleep are also made from the wood given by the trees. Wood is also used in making boards by which the human beings can take their journey. And come on the second stanza. Am the handle of your how the door of your homestead, the wood of your cradle, and the shell of your coffin. Am the bread of kindness and the flower of beauty. Ye who pass by, listen to my prayer, harm me not. This is a concluding line, very beautiful line, harm me not. Here, the speaker, that is the tree, tells the human beings that he is the wooden handle of his garden tools with which the soil is broken. The tree is talking about the how. He also serves the purpose of the door of the house of the human beings. The tree also provides wood for the cradle for the newborn baby and the coffin for the dead person. And besides all these material things, the tree also teaches the lesson of kindness and the beauty. That's why the tree requests human beings not to harm them when they are grown in the forest, not to harm them, not to cut them, as the trees are very useful for human beings. And in this poem, Woods request the human beings not to cut them, as they are very useful to human beings in various ways. Thank you. Have a nice day.